So I'm actually, I guess, a 2X customer of OSV. When I first got introduced to Workday, I was with another company prior to joining Howard Hughes, and OSV helped us with our implementation. We were rolling off a prior vendor into Workday, and OneSource was just hands-on supporting us. We actually, because of our size and we were running very lean from an HR standpoint, we did a deep dive for us managed services with OneSource, and so they were very hands-on, very proactive, very supportive, being on site, actually helping from a training perspective. I actually went to the Dallas office, actually hands-on in helping me get acclimated to the Workday ecosystem and environment. So it was a really good fit for me coming into that new Workday experience and partnering with OSV to kind of understand all the various components that I was now responsible for. I think it was huge because I was new to the organization and also new to the Workday space, and I think you guys had a very great partnership with Workday as a preferred partner, and so you guys are very hands-on, and so you wanted to make sure that that experience and that fit, just make sure that it was a deeper understanding for me and what I was now responsible for. So they were, again, very hands-on, very supportive from the project management team, implementation team, coming to our Woodlands facility to do hands-on training for the various HR partners because that motto at that time was go big or go home, and that's what we did. We implemented the HR HCM system, payroll, benefits. I mean, we did it in a very it was very strategic for the company, but it was that hands-on, full, go live that we just wanted to launch at that particular time. So again, OSV was that support system to say that's a lot to be doing at one time, but we basically got you while you're going through this. Right now, with our culture and people team, we partner with OSV for our settlement services and tax administration. And the tax team that you guys have is just absolutely phenomenal. My contact at OSV is very hands-on. We schedule quarterly meetings. I don't even know if that's required of the team, but she's very approachable. I send her tax notices. She's giving me updates about what's coming down the pipeline. This could impact your tax jurisdictions based on our tenant setup. And so that relationship piece helps me really stay focused on, what I call the transactional activities that sometimes in my role I tend to not focus on because I have a great team, but that helps me kind of bring that skill set back and really taking a deeper dive, and then giving me and my team that opportunity to take level up and cross train as far as like being exposed to different information and just being supportive. So huge shout out to Ashley for that. I was just telling my team today, it's those puzzle pieces. It's those pieces that make up that larger picture of what we're trying to do. And when you continue to have that people connection and having that personal relationship, then that helps you bridge those gaps in processes and understanding a lot better and a lot faster. And so, again, OneSource has always been that partner for us to help, keeping that connection and staying that true focus. So it's very important for us. I would say that one of the things that I really was very appreciative of is that when we were running lean in our HR department, we started with a lot of managed services. So really punting the ball to OSV to help manage and support and do those things. And as our team started to grow in-house, we started to scale back. And a lot of, partners or companies, start to feel a little indifferent about that because we're kind of taking certain business away. But not OSV. You guys were very understanding of that relationship, and what we were trying to do is scale the business and still maintain that that level of support and that relationship. So even though we were kind of scaling back from a managed services standpoint, we still needed that partnership and still maintain that. And it wasn't any friction or any disconnect as far as services. It was always giving that 110%, and so super appreciative of that, because that was one of the things that we walked into, was knowing that we wanted to help build our skill set internally but still maintain that partnership, and you guys really understood that and was super supportive in helping us launch into getting our HR team off the ground.